This engine never stops. Over 100,000 beats every day, fueling your entire life.
100 billion neuron network. This is the supercomputer that creates your reality. Breathe in. You are pulling in the world, feeding 300 million tiny air sacs. The body's master chemist. Over 500 vital functions running 24/7. These two small beans clean your entire blood supply 40 times every single day.
Welcome to the acid bath. Strong enough to dissolve steel, yet it builds you. It looks small, but stretched out, this tube is the length of a tennis court. It's the only camera that sees, focuses, and cleans itself, your window to the world. You have 206 of these, a living framework that protects, supports, and moves you. The delivery service that never stops, rushing oxygen to 37 trillion hungry cells. It's not magic, it's physics. Tiny bones turning vibrations into your favorite song. This is your strength. Billions of fibers waiting for a single command to act. Your largest organ, a waterproof self-repairing shield against the entire world. The blueprint. 3 billion letters of code packed inside every cell that wrote you. An invisible army is fighting for you right now. Your personal guardians, 24/7.